Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of motorhome customization with the Riloer large vinyl decals. If you're looking to elevate your motorhome style, these decals might just be what you need. Let's get into it. These Riloer large vinyl decals are designed for those who want to add a touch of flair to their motorhome, RV, or camper. They come in a sleek black and gray design, perfect for giving your vehicle a fresh, eye-catching look. Made from high-quality vinyl, these decals are not only durable but also fade-resistant, ensuring they'll maintain their vibrant appearance over time. What sets these decals apart is their versatility. Whether you have a motorhome, camper, trailer, or even a boat, these decals can be applied to any smooth surface. They're easy to install and remove, making them ideal for anyone who likes to change up their vehicle's appearance without a hassle. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, these decals also serve a practical purpose. They cover up scratches and imperfections on your vehicle's body, giving it a refreshed and polished look. Plus, their unique black and gray stripe pattern adds a sporty vibe that's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Installing these decals is straightforward, but it's recommended to apply them to a clean, dry surface for the best results. Once installed, it's advised not to wash your vehicle for at least a week to allow the adhesive to set properly. Overall, if you're searching for a way to enhance the appearance of your motorhome or RV, the Riloer large vinyl decals are a fantastic choice. With their durable construction, easy installation, and stylish design, they're truly one of the best options available for customizing your vehicle. That wraps up our review of the Riloer large vinyl decals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.